Standard reports present data on various documents with the option to customize how data is sorted, organized, and displayed. From the reporting menu, select Standard Reports. On the Standard Reports page, select a category to display the available reports within the category. This example shows the Case Management Reports category. Select the report to run. Once the report has been run, the following will be listed: a description of the report, the header with the name of the columns, and either a student document icon or student profile icon, which links directly to the student record listed on the report. To return back to the report from the student record, select Report. If the report has fewer than 2,000 columns, you can change the default sort order of the report based on any of the blue hyperlinked columns. Move the mouse pointer over the column header and select the up or down arrows. This changes the sort order to ascending or descending. A black font in the header means there is nothing filterable in the field. To filter the report based on column values, you can also filter reports by selecting the blue column header. Then select the desired values and select OK. If there are a lot of options to filter, such as if you wanted to filter by school, you can use the lookup feature. Then you can either type in the name of the school, select the school letter that it starts with, and then say OK. If a filter was applied to the report, use the back arrow instead. If you would like to refresh a report, you would select the refresh button. The standard reports are designed to run in near real time. When a standard report is opened, the data is no more than 5 minutes old by default. However, you can refresh the report in real time by selecting the refresh button. You can also subscribe to a report. A link to the report then appears on your home page for quick access. Select the subscribe button. Yes, subscribe reports appear on your home page, and set options. Now, when I return to my home page, I have under my reports any of the reports that I subscribe to, and this is for quick reference.